I guess you can see it in the background. It's cool. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for being here. Anyway, thank you guys for being here. It's your girl Janice, and I'm coming back to y'all with another video. So today's video is basically gonna be a review type of situation. Y'all see I got my puff on now. Yes, your girl is natural. It's been about 3 years. 3 years or so. Sorry, getting over the flu, maybe. But yeah, wanted to review this. I picked this up at Ulta. She is the Revlon one-step hair dryer and styler situation. A lot of people have been saying, I've seen a lot of natural hair people in here saying this is a good one. So I wanted to try it out. I think it was like $39.99 at Ulta. I don't think you can get it anywhere else. It's not like at Walmart or Target or anything. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna try this out. Now, I'm not one of those type of people to be taking a shower or anything like that on YouTube, so I'm gonna just tell you what I'm gonna be using. I already washed my hair a couple of days ago, so I'm gonna just like rewash it. I've been using this. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna do it. There we go. Yeah, so the Pantene Gold Series Deep Hydrating Co-Wash. And then I'm gonna try this today, basically like a silk situation. And it's the Hydrating Oil. Get that to focus. There you go. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do that. I will be right back with you guys. When I come back, here should be detangled, sectioned off, and then we're gonna get straight into the brush details. Now, is it worth it or is it not? We're gonna see that here in a second. If not, guess what? She's going back and I need my monies. I need my monies back. But yeah, we're gonna try this because I think it'll be good for my daughter too, since it's like, it's not supposed to have that much heat damage or anything like that. Like I said, y'all seen my hair in the last video. I had in the faux locks, and yeah, them was hard to get out, but they're out. And so now I think I want to straighten my hair. I miss, like, I have nothing in this little puff thing, and it's gonna irritate my soul. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll be right back. Like I said, everything's gonna be sectioned and we'll go from there. So I'm done washing my hair. It is 9:55 tonight. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Okay, so it comes in a bag. So it's like fully sealed. And it looks like this. So looks like this. You turn it like this under, and then of course the power cord. Some heat protectant on first, which is my OG heat protectant. I always use this one, and that's TRESemme. Ooh la la. And 6 different sections, and my hair is probably about, I don't know, maybe 70% dry. So I'm just gonna comb it. Nice little spray on it. Work it down. Half a pump. So literally that much. So I don't want it heavy. And just seal it off. Okay, so it's loud. It's just gonna put it on high. I don't know, yeah. Okay, I see you. I see you doing your thing. Look, y'all. That's crazy. And of course, you know, you're not gonna, you know, hit your roots super, super good, but like this is dry. And it's like kind of straight. So let me do these other parts. So this is halfway there. Now mind you, I started about 10 o'clock. It's 10:13. So I did this and my hair is dry in 13 minutes. And it's like, it has body. And I know I need to cut some of my ends now because I had the braids in for a month and a half. So it's probably time for a trim. But yeah. Let me finish the rest of my head. I'm geeked because it takes me like an hour to blow dry my hair. So to be done with half in like 15 minutes. So I'm not gonna do the rest of it on camera only because it'll just be me doing the rest of it. No purpose in making the video longer than it needs to be. It's gonna look the same like this, so I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are, fully dried. So as y'all can see. So of course, like I said, the roots aren't gonna be super, super dry, but other than that, honey, she's dry. And guess how long it took me to dry this? 30 minutes. Now, I wouldn't even say 30 minutes for real, for real. Now, I wanted to just say like a couple pros and cons to it. Pros, it dry your hair super fast. Pro, it's only 39 bucks. Con, you can only, I think you can only get it from Ulta or you can order it online. I'm pretty sure you can probably get it at Revlon.com. Another con is that when you're blow drying on high, this part up here can get really hot. Like right now, it's still super hot. So you have to hold it down here. But when you're like putting products and stuff like that in your hair, you can get it dirty. Like, so this part can get dirty super, super quick. But other than that, I love it. I'll definitely be using this again. Again, this is the Revlon one-step hair dryer and styler. I think they come in, it's like a pink, another pink color. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. If you want to see more like hair things or anything like that, make sure you do drop a comment below. And also make sure if you aren't a part of the squad to come join, come on back. It's like 60% of y'all who aren't subscribed but watch my video, so you might as well come on back. But yeah, again, this is your girl Janice. I'm signing off. I will be uploading again probably in the next couple of days. I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial or review. So again, if you guys want to see more hair stuff, let me know. I will definitely keep you into the natural hair product vibe thing. But yeah, you guys have a great night and holla at your girl.